going on this lower side to kind of clean up some of the bamboo off this kind of sketchy, and clean up behind this metal pile. But there's also a big tree right here, so I think it uprooted. I don't want to push anymore because I'm kind of scared, because there's a bunch of metal right here. That's what I'm really scared of. I really don't. I don't know if it's a tractor implement or what, but I hit it pretty good. There's a tarp right here too. Stuff and finding stuff, so it'd be a lot easier during winter time to spot it out, but also the sun's not right in my eyes right now as well. So there's a big dirt mound right here too, so big tarps, so we might just blade it up, clean it up a little bit. Have to kind of clean up a little at a time. That's a big old tree right there. But we're pretty much done. I'm gonna kind of back drag, kind of clean it up. We'll show you an aftermath of the mulching. All right, so I just me being ADHD and ADD and all that wonderful stuff like that, I just kind of kept going and kind of like, maybe I can just peek in here for a second, kind of look, and then I ended up mulching this backside of this dam, or not dam, but like a pad. I guess that was the backside of the house, kind of like a basement setup when they first originally did this house that we're looking at right here. It's my father-in-law's. They said tornado got it, and I feel like they just let everything go and just let it, just all the debris, like a bunch of vinyl. So we're definitely gonna have to come in. I'll show you once we get done. We're literally almost done, and then we'll go mulch up the that corner over there probably. So because I think they're wanting to do fencing this winter over there, that way the cows can have somewhere to go, kind of chew and stuff. So we're gonna back drag a few more times. Hopefully won't catch nothing wrapped up in there. But I did hit a tire a while ago, and it was hilarious, because all I know is I was backing up. I looked back to make sure I wasn't gonna run something over, and I felt a vibration for like 3 seconds, and then it went flying. So but we're gonna back drag this a couple times, kind of get the chunks out of it, and then we will drive on. Oh yeah, got phone's going off, can't get it to stop. I think there's some kind of flying majigs over here. I don't know if there's the Japanese hornets or not, but I just see a bunch of random ones. Usually when I mulch like that, it usually does that, but I don't know. I think this is like a chair or something, like a barrel, which I hit it. Don't Oh, there's a bunch there, some vinyl, there's some concrete right there, and a tarp, piece of corner, I don't know what you call that. There's some vinyl down there, there's some more metal I hit, but we ended up getting it pretty good. I didn't push any lower because it goes into a dirt mound. So, looks pretty good. We're gonna head over there and try to mulch that trail out real quick. It's not even 12 yet. And I start around 10. Quick, easy job. All right, we're fixing to go through this field right here. And we gotta go down this way around. We still got a pretty good bit to get on the back side of this 40 or 50, 60 acres we got here. Gotta close the fence. But we're gonna go track all the way down this way, go that way, and then go way back on the back side and mulch the fence line. So we'll try to get this going pretty quickly. Job over on the other side. This has turned out pretty nice. So my father-in-law's touches his sons, which is my brother-in-law. They bought the property on the back side. It's kind of wet on this side of here, so we're gonna try to open this lower side up a little bit. Probably widen it up for a dozer to come in and kind of blade it. property. So I'm just kind of like pushing this stuff back. So should be good. We're gonna roll out and make the long, treacherous drive. So we'll head on back. So got the skid steer cleaned off, got it ready, got it done. The knives are pretty shot where I hit that piece of metal earlier. I'm gonna go ahead and order another set of knives. So I did a small, simple job. I was hoping to get that job done. The one I had planned once I got the truck back, but I'm about to wait till they tell me what I need to do with the current issue. So we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna do with the truck. I've got a bunch of people waiting, but I can't do nothing until I get my truck fixed. I'm gonna go home and see where it's leaking from. So, but anyway, we did a small job. We got the truck back. Sounds good. I don't want to be pulling with it because that's the reason why it was throwing the same codes as it did when my engine went down. So I'm definitely scared because I don't have another $15,000 to put another motor in. So, but if you could like and subscribe, see you on the next one.